Morning, pack leaders. This is here. Friends are protecting families. We're protecting pack. I'm gonna give you guys a forward tested live wallet, 23,000 contracts, and I think it's 3x leverage. So we just started running this right now, and we have 1.875%. We already made 0.1 BTC, 0.1 BTC, probably about $100, I say. Shorted, close, and then we're long. We're still positive here. Go ahead and take a snapshot of this, and we are retweeting this every hour. So see how it goes for you guys. If it changes on you guys, you probably need to retune your settings. Okay, pause the video if you need to and go for it. Okay, make sure you have all these safety settings put in, and your indicator signal consensus here, and also your map settings. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped, and I'll talk to you then.